Hey, do you have 12 Gen motherboard and CPU is running a little bit too hot? I probably do, because I did, and it is kind of scary. Well, it's annoying more than scary, but I needed to fix it, and I did. Stick around. So, I'm gonna show you in a moment how did I fix it. I think you might have already seen it. I got that idea from YouTube, obviously. This is a very good thing, but I didn't spend a lot of money on it. I just spent $15.99, and it works very, very well. You will see. It's like 13 degrees difference minimum, and I love it. 13 degrees Celsius. It's just beautiful. So stick around, I'll show you what I did right now. We can clearly see that our P-Core 5 is the hottest. It's running at 95 degrees Celsius. This is just crazy. I can't have that. On top of that, we can see that when it's in idle, like right now, everything is like in 30s, which is pretty much okay for my cooler. But yeah, this here, 93, so many over 90, so many just too high. We have just too many of them. And 95, it's way too much. 90, that's just crazy. The 82 P-Core 6 is running lowest at lowest temperatures, which is 82 degrees. Is still quite a lot, and I think we should have a better result. Therefore, I'm planning to do something, and you're gonna see what I'm doing soon. This simple move brought us 13 degrees on the hottest core, and this is beautiful. 23 degrees Celsius. $23 degrees for $15.99. 13 degrees on the hottest core and 10 degrees on the coolest. In my case, when I've got only 240 millimeters radiator, yeah, I think I take it anytime, any day. 13 degrees cooler, taking me from 95 right before throttling to 82, and that 82, if you haven't noticed, hit at the very last moment, and only for a split second, and that's just crazy. So it was running all the time, but at 80. This is very much worth it, and that's my fix for it. I understand companies and people who came up with this charging so much money, but there is no need to go for that if there is a cheaper option, and that cheaper option was made properly. I've seen it, I had it in my hand, and I did check every single thing. It's just I didn't record anything because it would make this video too long, and I didn't want that. That's very simple. I'm gonna have affiliate links below for you to have a look at this product, as it really works, and I could, with my clear conscience, recommend that. If you're interested, have a look. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll appreciate that. And till the next time, stay safe.